Travis with Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne. As of late, there's been a lot of requests for people wanting information on what I've done to my own personal daily driver, the 2021 Nissan Titan Pro-4X. Now, one of the advantages of buying your new car or truck from Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne is that more often than not, you can include any sort of aftermarket customization and put it in the original loan itself. In my case, I special ordered a set of 18-inch fuel off-road racing Contra wheels, and I decided to use the same tires that came stock from the factory. The wheels are 18x9 with a 1mm offset, so keeping the factory original height and feel and ride was incredibly important to me. The result was pretty spectacular. Other than a little bit of rubbing on the front inner wheel wells, the truck looked great. In fact, it drove just as nice as it did originally from the factory. However, after seeing so many leveling kits and lift kits installed on some of our vehicles, I was talked into lifting my truck. Now, I've owned several trucks in my past, and I have never lifted one truck. After several days of going back and forth between a leveling kit and a lift kit, I decided to go with an Icon 2.5-inch lift on the front and 1-inch suspension lift on the rear. The kit comes standard with new shocks and struts and a 1-inch spacer for the rear. It took a couple 2-3 hours to install, but once it was done, the result was spectacular. I loved the way the truck looked. It sat perfectly, it wasn't too high, it wasn't too low. You look at it and you think, you know what, now there is a nice truck. It's not overdone and it's not underdone. However, the tires don't look good enough. The tires needed to be addressed. So I addressed it. And I added Goodyear Wrangler's DuraTrack. Same size as the factory, the 275/70 R18 tires on my 18x9 wheels. The end result is something that I'm incredibly pleased with, and doing it all at Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne is nothing short of amazing. They took care of me, they took care of my truck, and I couldn't be happier with the results. Now I want to spend some time talking about the Nissan Titan itself. What sets this truck apart from the rest? What makes this the best buy? Or what makes this the obvious choice for your next full-size truck? The first, and what I feel is the most significant thing that sets this truck apart from all the rest, is the fact that it has a 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. That is America's best truck warranty, period. No other manufacturer's full-size truck comes close, or can touch it for that matter. Every Nissan Titan comes with a 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Another thing that sets the Nissan Titan apart from all of the competition is for the fact that it has an Endurance V8 engine. The Endurance V8 engine produces 400 horsepower and 413 foot-pounds of torque out of its 5.6 liters. Now, this is a standard engine across the board. It doesn't matter if you buy a basic S or if you buy a Platinum, you get the same engine across the board. There's plenty of power and there's plenty of torque, and it's mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission for smooth transitions and smooth shifts. Not to mention the efficiency. You can actually get up to 21 miles a gallon on the freeway with this truck. Now, it doesn't matter if you get a Titan King Cab or a Titan Crew Cab, you can still tow up to 9,310 pounds on either option. While if you go with a Titan XD, or what I consider to be the heavy half, you can tow up to 11,040 pounds. And speaking of towing, you can actually get an intelligent all-around view monitor, a remote trailer light check, integrated trailer brakes and controller, a trailer sway control system, tow mirrors, and a tow haul mode. Now, moving on to the bed of the Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan comes with the DuraTrack system, which is the most durable and versatile Utilitrack system built today. Also in the bed of the truck, you're going to find LED lights throughout, and then an available 120-volt outlet. Now, moving on to the inside. In my truck is an available panoramic sunroof, as well as leather-appointed seating surfaces that have this unique dark orange print. This same theme carries on throughout the entire interior of the truck, including the dash. On the dash and the steering wheel both is this dark orange stitching, and the instrument cluster and the Nissan emblem on the steering wheel all feature the dark orange accent. The same theme carries out in the back, and in the back I have a power sliding rear window, rear heated seats, USB ports, and another power outlet. There's plenty of room for storage underneath and behind the seats. Nissan also includes an under-seat storage tray that turns into or converts into a virtual workbench. It has a lockable rear seat cargo organizer and the fold flat floor panels. Continuing up front, my PRO-4X comes equipped with a 9-inch high-resolution touchscreen display that houses Sirius XM and navigation. Also, it includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Up here is where you're going to find the controls for the heated seats and the trailer braking system. The center stack storage compartment is huge, and the cup holder and the phone holder are also removable and changeable. There's plenty of room in the glove box, and the entire layout of the truck is well done. Nothing seems cheap, it all seems well thought out and put together, right down to the power adjustments on both zero-gravity front seats. After all is said and done, the Nissan Titan represents America's best value in the full-size truck division. Not only that, but I absolutely love this truck. It is a truck through and through. There is nothing about this truck that I dislike. There's nothing that I think, I should have waited and I should have got that feature. There is nothing that I missed out on. Everything that I wanted in a full-size truck is here in this truck. Most people who see this truck are pleasantly surprised when I say, hey, it's a Nissan. So whether or not you want to customize it a little bit or keep it bone stock, the Nissan Titan represents America's best value and what I consider to be America's best kept secret in full-size trucks. You're not going to be disappointed. You're going to absolutely love your truck. And of course at Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne, we can build it any way you like. Your choice, your truck, your dollar, you decide.